What's going on YouTube? We are back with another video, and today, man, I'm gonna be finally showing you guys what I had picked up from one of my local sneaker shops here in San Antonio. Well, actually in Austin, so it's about an hour drive that I had to make, but it was worth the drive. I picked up one of the sneakers this year that I really wanted, and I took an L on. But yeah, man, like I said, we finally got it. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now, ring notification bell for your boy, and please smash that like button if you like seeing these videos where I show you guys what I pick up. And these right here, like I said, one of my favorite sneakers this year. I just took an L on them. My homie let me review them, but we finally have the Jordan 1s in the collection, man. Before we get any further, man, if you do not mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. And I'm thinking about doing our own feed over these because I have not rocked these joints yet. So let's get right into it, man. So huge shout out to Texas Shoe Exchange. I will link them down below. Like I said, I drove an hour up there to pick up some sneakers, them Air Jordan 3 Blue Cements that I reviewed earlier for you guys. Shouts out to the homie Hobby to Hustle. And I seen these joints and they were used. I was like, man, they don't even look that used. I was like, yo, how much are y'all willing to take for these right here? Offered them a price, and I was able to secure one of my favorite sneakers this year. I just never had it, you know what I'm saying? So I knew I was going to go back and get them. It's just a matter of time. Once you go to like a consignment shop, you start seeing sneakers that you took an L on, or just sneakers in general. It just makes you want to spend money. So I had to get these and get up out of there. There's a couple other sneakers I really wanted. I had to walk away. I just had to walk away because it was a bunch of stuff in there. I gotta go back up there, probably show you guys a vlog, show you what they have. It got a lot of dope stuff, Supreme, Yeezys, of course, Jordans. I think I've seen a couple of foam posits as well, man, but a very dope shop. Like I said, shouts out to Texas Shoe Exchange. And we about to get right into these Jordan 1s, man. Here it goes right here. Check out the bag. Nothing crazy on there, no logos or anything, just a regular brown bag. And inside the box, and once you see the box, you guys are already gonna know what they are. So let's go ahead and pull them out, man. Bam, there you have it. The silver Nike Air Jordan 1 box. Check it out, check it out. Official colorway, size tag, reads Air Jordan 1 High OG, code Japan, neutral gray and metallic silver. Got these joints in size 9. You guys know how I rock my Jordan 1s. And these retail for $170, and I pay a little bit over retail for these used Air Jordan 1 code Japans, man. Let's pull them out. Let's pull them out. Finally, I'm showing you guys what I picked up. The first time I actually taking them out the box since I got them. So I want to get that real reaction for you guys. And here we go. Like I said, I got them used, but you can barely tell they were worn. You got some B-roll of that, kind of bright, I don't know why. But here they go. Here they go. Super clean. Look at that metallic just popping off of the camera. And real quick, let me turn the brightness down. Bam, bam. There you have it, man. The Code Japan Air Jordan 1s. And I told you guys I think these will definitely go up in the near future. I went ahead and got a used pair. They had a DS pair, but I saved about $50 or $60 just getting a used pair, and they were lightly used. Check out the bottom right there. And I cleaned up the other pair, and the only where you kind of see with these sneakers right here is the insole. You know, on the inside they got Code Japan on there. And I would say the person that was wearing these before maybe got a good 3-4 wears out of these. I'm just guessing because everything on the insole is pretty much gone. They gave me this little shoe right here, and the other one, it didn't come with that. Like I said, the insole of these sneakers does not have pretty much anything on there. So I got these for a good price, man. On the back, you guys already know, got the dates, the years 2001 and 2020 with that red Jumpman right there, as you guys can see. And the tongue is very different from your regular Air Jordan 1. Just get a regular Nike Air right there, just embroidered onto the tongue. You know, usually we get the whole tag going over the top of the entire tongue. Metallic gray laces, and of course you got that metallic silver or neutral gray and the metallic silver. Very, very dope. I'm glad I got them in a collection. Premium leather, I would say. The leather quality is pretty good. I like it. You just cannot go wrong with these joints in the collection. And like I said, once I did the review, shout out to the homie director WizKid, I was like, man, I gotta add these to the collection. And I didn't have to go through GOAT and pay that $300 and something. I got these joints for a good price being used. And I always tell a lot of people, like, if you're gonna wear the sneaker right away, if you're gonna get some good wears out of it, why not buy a sneaker used? That's why I really rock with the GOAT app, because you can get used sneakers from the app without paying an arm and a leg for a DS pair of sneakers that you eventually are going to wear anyway. So I'm glad I got these. Shouts out to Texas Shoe Exchange. I want to do an own feed for you guys just so I can rock them right away. And let me know down below in the comments if you have these joints in the collection. If you had to pay resale, you get them for retail from the Nike sneakers app, and I think they're released on a couple other websites as well. But these joints flew off of everywhere, and every single live club I try to do, I try to get the sneakers, and it's just hard to do. It's just really hard to do. If you don't got a bot, I think I'm gonna have to move over to my PC trying to cop some of these sneakers, because maybe my Apple, my iMac and stuff like that, my MacBook Pro are too slow or something like that. Servers are trash. So I'm gonna go to my PC for these next couple releases and do the live cops over there. Another huge difference from a regular Air Jordan 1 and these Code Japans is the Wings logo. It's almost like a bubble pop out Wings logo right there, as you guys can see. Very nice. You know, I love when Jordan Brand does stuff different. It doesn't give us the same thing we always get. And like I said, these haven't released in a long time. I think somebody told me they restocked in like 2004, 2005 or something like that. But the initial release date was in 2001. In 2020, we finally got a retro of these. And we have another Code Japan coming out. We already got these Air Jordan 1 Code Japans, and we got the Biohack Air Jordan 1s. Real quick, man, I had to grab the Biohack Tokyos, or Tokyo Code Japan Biohacks, but these things are crazy. My sneaker of the year. But I must say, I gotta be honest, when I seen the Air Jordan 1 Mochas, shouts out to Zay Clay Sneaks. Them joints is looking very clean. I might have to add them. Cannot wait to add them. You guys know they look very similar to the Travis Scott ones, and that is what's gonna raise that price up, especially for the resale value. I checked on GOAT right now and they go for around 500 bucks. But we might see that decrease come the release date, man. So like I said, we got the Biohack Tokyos, and we had to get the Air Jordan 1 Tokyo Japans. Very fire. I'm glad I had them in the collection. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Like I said, let me know down below in the comments if you have these. Let me know if you had to pay resale, take an L, like everybody does release days. Just let me know something down below in the comments. Make sure you guys smash the like button if you enjoyed this new addition to the collection. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Ring that notification bell for your boys to never miss anything that happens on the channel. And head over to IG, give a boy a follow at The Vintage World. Be linked down below in the description box, man. With all that being said, we'll jump right into a quick on feed over these clean Air Jordan 1 Tokyo Japans, man. Let's get it.